Hi, hi, good evening to everyone. So today I would like to take the Git commands. So what are the importance of the Git commands? Those commands I will going to explaining to entire the Git commands like interview point of view, because every time the interviewer will be asking these type of question. What is the difference between the Git Fetch and Git Pull? What is the Git Stash? So what is the difference between how can you resolve the conflicts? So usually these kinds of questions will like I mean these kinds of questions will be asked by the interviewer, be not asked by the interviewer. So that's I have to be improved for the communication wise. That's the reason I was recording this entire the video as well. So what's and let me try to explain that entire the flow of the Git use Git commands and the Git commands and uses. So I will ask the ChatGPT how it will be answering. Let me one by one. I will explain to you. So there is a different types of Git commands are there. So Git initiate command is there. The Git initiate commands which is used to initialize the new Git repository and give the clear explanation. So with real time examples. I will ask like give me real time examples, real life examples like this, like real life examples like this. Give me. I will explain it briefly. So as a point of view, so for example, like Git clone is there. So for example, Git clone which is used to like join the banking project. So I needed latest automation framework code from the GitHub. So I used to Git clone command. So to download the complete repository to my local machine. So for that, I have a utilize the Git clone command. So I joined the banking project. So to clone the latest code from the master repository, and Git clone command used to download the latest from the master to my local machine. So that's purpose I have utilized this command. So git code git co- like git clone command, like first of all we have to use the git clone, and we need to pass the url of the particular repository. So after that, if you click on it, it will be downloaded and it will be coming to our local machine. So this way we can do the git clone command. And coming to the git checkout command, git switch command. So what is the git checkout command? The git checkout command means like I was working multiple features, right? So if I wanted to switch from main branch to login automation branch, so that's we can use the git switch out command, which is used to like switching from, for example, in my main branch I have a created one branch like a automation like a ram automation, it's a branch is there. So for this like a payment branch I have a created. In this payment branch to I want to switch from main branch to like my branch, so then I can use the git switch command, so then I can switch it easily. So if I use the git switch feature dot login, it will be switched from main branch to like a feature branch. So this way we can do the git switch command. Use it and we can use it, and we can switch from the like master branch to like its like local branch this way. So coming to the git full command is also there. The git pull command, so this is also before starting our work every day morning, so I pull the latest code. So this is a common thing for every day. So every day whenever you are starting your work, right, so that's at that time. So before starting to your working on any automation framework, so we have to check we can't check the in master repository whatever the updates like yesterday was did, how many how many how much code was updated in the master repository. So that according to that we have to be take the updated code from the master repository. Otherwise, like if you updated some code, so it will not impact it to the some of the features was implemented, but that's related to the your features. So that's the reason. So every day we have to start with like taking the updated code from the full code from the master repository. We can use git full origin main means it will be taking the main branch like origin or master branch from to. So it will be taking this. So every morning before starting like automation development, or like I pull the latest code from the like a main branch. So it was saying you can see this. So it will be ensuring that I had like latest changes, and maybe other automation engineers are like any avoid the like merge conflicts. So for that reason, so we can take the git pull in every day, and we need to pull into the our code. So these we have to do every day as a part of our test engineer. So this is a good way to practice ourselves or to improve our good commands as well. So next, coming to the git branch is there. So git branch git branch generally if you want to check so which branch right now I am in there. So like I'm in a future branch or like I'm a main branch. So if you want to see that, you can see the git branch. So and or else you can use the it was us like whenever like I received any new Jira story, right? I created the dedicated feature branch. I dedicated the feature branch. This is ensuring my changes were isolated and did not impact the other ongoing development. So other ongoing development. So that's the reason I have created one like a feature branch that if I wanted to check where are which branch I am right now, so then you can use the git branch, then you can see the right now I'm in which branch, so that's you can able to see easily. So git add command is there. So git add command, so for example I have taken in the morning like a latest code, I pull the latest code from the master repository. I started my work whatever is in the task, and I have implemented some little code in my local repository. So that reason if I wanted to send that code to my repository so that's for first of all we have to add git add is to move to all the modified files into the staging area before committing them. So after completing my automation scripts, I used the git command to move all the modified files, right? So to move all the modified files to into the staging area. So before committing them, then we use it and we can commit all the to that area. So after staging area, so git commit is there. Once the development was completed, right? So okay, once the development was completed and local execution was successfully, and I committed changes with meaningful message. I committed the changes with meaningful message, so other team also member could easily understand what functionality was added. So in the git commit command, I will added one message whatever I have updated. The other like team members can easily understand it, which functionality is working. So with the help of that message, that is help to like while developing completed. So after this, what I have to do, I had a partially completed right scripts and script and I found the transfer the automation when scripts are critical productions before was reported. I use like a git stash commands. Git stash command like to temporarily save unfinished work actually. Git switch to the like hot fixes branches, resolve the issues, and later I restore the changes and git stash pop up also, which is help to git merge. Git Merge, Git Fetch, and is also there. Git Merge is also once in my automation framework passed review and testing features. Branch was merged into the main branch, so that the entire the team could use the updated the framework. Git Fetch actually I wanted to check any new code was available without affecting to the current framework. So if I want to check any new file updated, we can use the Git Fetch command. So they can't merge directly into the local repository, local machine. So we can see only whatever the updates are there inside that file, then only you can a developer. I often like use the git fetch command to see there were updates or remote repository or it does not make the changes immediately, allowing me to like review and update the before like intermediating them as well. So these are the commands usually in our day-to-day life. We're using this type of commands and we are improving this type of commands as well.